Chief Political Correspondent Carl Cameron reports on the big rise in Uncle Sam's workers who are coming up short.
An Internal Revenue Service report shows the number of federal workers who are delinquent paying their 2011 income taxes jumped nearly 12% from the year before last. Nearly 312,000 federal employees have not paid $3.5 billion in back taxes, according to the Federal Employee Delinquency Initiative report. Out of about 9.8 million federal workers, 3.2% were not paid up to date. That's well below the 8.2% delinquency rate for the general public. But for government employees whose salaries are funded by taxpayers, to not pay their own is touchy. In the executive office of the president, 40 staffers of Mr. Obama, who wants to raise taxes on the rich, are delinquent $333,485.
Absolutely, the president believes everybody ought to pay their taxes.
Staff owe less than their congressional counterparts. 688 Hill staffers have not paid $10.8 million in back taxes. In the administrative offices of the U.S. courts, where tax cases often end up, 894 staffers are delinquent $12.7 million. Lawmakers in both parties are trying to crack down.
My bill says if you don't pay your taxes, then you should be fired.
Some vital workers are among the most delinquent. More than 22,000 U.S. postal workers by far owe the most, $215.2 million. When combined, staff at the Veterans Administration, Defense Department, Department of the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Homeland Security owe nearly $500 million. Under certain rare circumstances, the IRS may garnish individual wages, but independent government contractors are delinquent more than all federal employees combined.
We're talking about $5 billion in unpaid taxes by federal contractors.
The IRS says 1 in 10 staffers at the Department of Treasury, which includes IRS, are late on their taxes as well, to the tune of $9 million. Even at the Government Accountability Office, which investigates corruption and tracks how tax dollars are spent, staffers are delinquent on their taxes, nearly $1 million. Brett?